Our topic is mode. Mode is nothing but the value which repeated more number of times is called mode. Okay, maximum number of times repeated value. Maximum number of times repeated value is called mode. Okay, we denote mode with M0. It is denoted by, generally we use this mode for qualitative type of data. Okay, it is generally used for qualitative data. Okay, mode is nothing but the value which repeated more number of times. We denote mode with M0 and we use this concept for mostly qualitative data. Okay, where do we use this concept mode? మనం ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే, సపోజ్ I will tell you one example so that you can understand easily. సపోజ్ when you go for a shop, ఓకే, మీరు షాప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఒక పర్టికులర్ షాప్లో డిఫరెంట్ డిజైన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక షర్ట్ అనుకుందాం, డిఫరెంట్ డిజైన్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ సైజెస్ ఉంటాయి, మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ, ఒక పర్టికులర్ సైజ్ 40 అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, వెన్ యూ కంపేర్ విత్ సైజ్ 40 సైజ్ ఉన్న షర్ట్స్ అనేవి మనకు చాలా ఉంటాయి. వెన్ యూ కంపేర్ విత్ 44, ఓకే, ఆ పర్టికులర్ స్టోర్ వాళ్ళు ఆ 40 సైజ్ అనేది ఆ స్టోర్లో ఎక్కువ ఉండడానికి ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారంటే, దే యూజ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ మోడ్. అంటే దే నో దట్ ద సైజ్ 40 విల్ సెల్ మోర్. ఓకే, అంటే వాళ్ళు రెగ్యులర్గా కస్టమర్స్ చూస్తూ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎక్కువ సేల్ అవుతుంది, ఓకే, దాన్ని బట్టి డిసైడ్ అవుతారు కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే మోడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారనమాట. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ మోడ్. ఓకే, we have condition like sometimes our mode is ill defined. Okay, mode is ill defined. That means that when you have observations like 5 2 3 4 5, here if you observe no value is repeated, so in that case we cannot define mode. Okay, that is ill defined. In that case we use one formula that I will discuss when we are discuss about problems. Okay, and we have unimodal. Okay, that means only one mode. And we have bimodal. That means we have two modes. And multimodal. That means more than two modes. More than two modes. Okay, this is about mode. Let's do some problems. For ungrouped data, what is the calculation process? I will discuss now. Okay, calculation of mode for ungrouped data, or individual series. Okay, suppose if you have observations like x1 x2 and so on xn, okay, are the observations. Then mode is the value which repeated more number of times. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently or which repeated more number of times. You can write anything which occurs most frequently in the given data. Most frequently in the given data. Okay, when you have observations in that the value which repeated more number of times, that is the mode. We do some problems. Okay, individual series or ungrouped data. Calculate mode to the given data. These are our observations. Now let's find. Okay, you observe carefully. Data is 2 5 7 2 8 12 15. Okay, in these observations which value is repeated more number of times? 2 చూడండి, 2 times repeat అయ్యింది. 5 repeat అవ్వలేదు, 7 repeat ఏ వాల్యూ కూడా రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు, ఓన్లీ 2 is repeated twice. సో అవర్ మోడ్ is 2. ఓకే, సింపుల్ మోడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చాలా సింపుల్ ఉంటుందండి. ఓకే, మోడ్ is 2, దట్స్ ఇట్, అంతే. నెక్స్ట్, ఫర్ దిస్ డేటా 5, 2, 7, 2, 3, 10, 3, 13, 3. ఓకే, 5 రిపీట్ అయిందా? రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. 7 కూడా రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. 2 చూడండి, 2 అనేది 2 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయ్యింది. ఓకే, బట్ 3 చూడండి, 1, 2, 3 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయింది. ఏదైతే ఎక్కువ సార్లు రిపీట్ అయిందో ఆ వాల్యూని మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలన్నమాట. 10 ఎక్కడ రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు, 13 కూడా రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఓకే, 3 అనేది 3 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయింది, 2 అనేది 2 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయింది. 3 అనేది ఎక్కువ సార్లు రిపీట్ అయింది కాబట్టి సో నౌ మోడ్ ఈస్ 3. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ డేటా 20, 13, 15, 12, 3, 4. Okay, this is our question. For this, if you observe, no value is repeated. ఏ ఒక్క వాల్యూ కూడా మళ్ళీ మనకి రిపీట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ what we can say, in this case we can say mode is ill defined. Okay, in order to find mode for this ill defined data, okay, what we have means we have formula is equal to mode is equal to, okay, 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, we use this formula when we have data is ill defined. Okay, now ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు ఈ మోడ్ ఇల్ డిఫైన్డ్ అయింది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఫార్ములా 3 median is equal to 2 mean. So now we have to find median for this data and we have to find mean for this data. We know the process already, as we discussed already about median and mean for ungrouped data. Okay, let's find. Okay, median find out చేద్దాం, mean find out చేద్దాం. First we find mean. Mean is nothing but sum of the observations divided by the total number of observations. Okay, sum of the observations, summation xi by n. Okay, we denote mean with x bar. Now let's sum all of this. X bar is equal to 20 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 3 plus 4 divided by n is nothing but number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 observations are there. Let's add 20 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 3 plus 4. We'll get like 67 divided by 6. Okay, now we got mean value like 67 by 6 is nothing but 11.16, like that we'll get. Okay, now we got x bar value as 11.16. Okay, we got mean. Now we have to find median. Let's find. Okay, median means for ungrouped data, how we have to find median? First we have to find, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. After that we have to check number of observations. Okay, if n is odd means middle value will be the median. If n is even means 2 middle terms, average of the 2 middle terms will be the median. Now let's arrange order median. Okay, our data is 20, 13, 15, 12, 3, 4. So 3, 4, 12, 13, 15, 20. Okay, ascending order. Three, 4, 12, 13, 15, 20. Okay, we arrange the data in ascending order. Now n is equal to number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is nothing but even. So we have to take average of the 2 middle terms. Now median is equal to, average means arithmetic mean of 2 middle terms. Okay, middle terms are these only, 12 and 13. So 12 plus 13 divided by 2, that is nothing but 25 by 2, which is equal to 12.5. Now we got median and we got mean also. Okay, now let's substitute in the formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, which is equal to 3 into median is 12.5 minus 2 into mean value, how much we got? 60, 11 point something we got. 11.16 we got. 11.16. So 12.5 into 3 is nothing but 37.5 minus 11.16 into 2 is nothing but 22 minus 3. 15.36. So 37.5 minus 22.36 nothing but 15 point something we get. So 15.1 okay 8. So we got mode value as 15.18. okay, whenever our data is ill defined, like means ఏ ఒక్క అబ్జర్వేషన్ కూడా మనకి రిపీట్ అవ్వని కేసులో ఏంటంటే మోడ్ ఇల్ డిఫైన్డ్ అనమాట. ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా మోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 మీడియన్ మైనస్ 2 మీన్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ మీడియన్ అండ్ మీన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్ములా, విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫైండింగ్ మోడ్ ఫర్ ది ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్. నౌ లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ ఫర్ డిస్క్రీట్ సిరీస్. For discrete series what we have to check, same easy only, it's very easy. Okay, calculation of mode for discrete series. Procedure I am telling. Suppose if Fi is the frequency of corresponding value, if Fi is the frequency of the corresponding variable xi, then to calculate mode, identify the frequency, identify the maximum frequency. Okay, maximum frequency, the corresponding xi value will give us mode. Okay, the corresponding xi value will give us mode. Okay, a simple, in frequencies we have to find highest frequency or maximum frequency. The corresponding xi value is our mode. Okay, we do problems. Now for discrete series, calculate mode to the given data. Xi values 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 and frequencies 2, 6, 5, 14, 10, 6, 3. Okay, now we have observations and frequencies. What we have to do, we have to check maximum frequencies. Among 2, 6, 5, 14, 10, 6, 3, what is the highest frequency? 14 na? Okay, that corresponding xi value is our mode. Okay, 14 corresponding xi value into 8 kada, so this is our mode. Okay, answer here in the given frequency, maximum frequency is 14. Okay, the corresponding x value is in the 8. Okay, so hence mode is 8. Okay, this is the process of finding mode for discrete series. Simple, maximum frequency ఏదో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ఆ కరెస్పాండింగ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అదే మన మోడ్ అనమాట. ఓకేనా, సేమ్ ఫర్ హియర్, ఇది ఏం రాయను, జస్ట్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నౌ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ మోడ్ టు ద గివెన్ డేటా. xi values 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now frequencies 12, 13, 19, 14, 19, 10, 8. Now if you observe here, మనకు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మ్యాక్సిమం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 19 ఉంది. ఓకే, బట్ 19 అనేది ఏంటి, 2 times రిపీట్ అయ్యింది కదా. ఓకే, 2 times రిపీట్ అయ్యింది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ అ ఫార్ములా మోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 మీడియన్ మైనస్ 2 మీన్. ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 2 values మనకు చూపిస్తున్నాయి, అవునా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ద ఫార్ములా మోడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, why we are using this formula means here because highest frequency value is 2 9, so we are using this formula. Now we have to find median for this data and mean for this data. Okay, మీరు మీన్ కి ఏదైనా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, డీవియేషన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, స్టెప్ డివిజన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, మీ ఇష్టం. ఏ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసినా కూడా మనకు ఆన్సర్ సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. నౌ మీన్, ఫస్ట్ మనం మీన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాము. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ఏ వాల్యూస్ నేను డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా. ఎక్స్ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి? 5, 10, 15, 20. ఓకే, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ఏ వాల్యూస్. ఎఫ్ఏ వాల్యూస్ 12, 13, 19, 14, 19, 10, 8. 12, 13, 19, 14, 19, 10, 8. Okay, these are frequencies. How to find mean for discrete series? We know we have three methods: direct method, deviation method, and step deviation method. Now I am using direct method. For direct method, x bar is equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Summation fi is nothing but total frequency. We can denote with capital N also. Okay, now I am writing here formula. Direct method I am using. Direct method, x bar is equal to summation fi xi by capital N or summation fi. Okay, now let's find fi xi. fi into xi means 5 into 12, 60. 10 into 30, 130. 15 into 19, 285. 20 into 14, 280. 25 into 19, 475. 30 into 10, 300. 35 into 8, 280. Okay, now we have to add all these values. Summation we need, so we have to add all these values, and we need capital N also. That means we have to add all these frequencies. Okay, now 12 plus 13 plus 19 plus 14 plus 19 plus 10 plus 8, which is nothing but 95. Next, 60 plus 130 plus 285 plus 280 plus 475 plus 300 plus 280. Summation fi xi is equal to 1810. Okay, let's substitute in the formula. X bar is equal to summation fi xi value is 1810 divided by n value is 95. So we'll get the answer like 19.05. X bar is equal to 19.05. Next, median. How to find median for discrete series? We have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. Okay, first and we have to find cumulative frequencies. Okay, and we have to find n by 2 value. Okay, after finding n by 2 value, we have to check in the cumulative frequency whether that n by 2 value is there or not. If it is not there, we have to take just greater than that value. That corresponding xi value will be our median. Okay, now let's find xi fi. Xi values are these only na: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Next, fi values 12, 13, 19, 14, 19, 10, 8. Now let's find cumulative frequency. 12 plus 13, 25, 25 plus 19, 44, 44 plus 14, 58, 58 plus 19, 77, 77 plus 10, 87, 87 plus 8, 95. Okay, n is equal to 95. Now we have to find n by 2. n by 2 means 95 divided by 2. 2 4s, 2 7s, 0.5. So 47.5. Now we have to check n by 2 value in cumulative frequency. 47.5 value unda manaku cumulative frequency lo ledu. Then we have to check just greater than 47.5 ante 58 kada. Okay, 58 corresponding idi mana median class anukunte. Okay, that 58 corresponding xi value emundi 20. So that now median is equal to 20. Okay, we got both values. Let's substitute in the formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, 3 into 20 minus 2 into 19.05. Okay, we are substituting in the formula, that is 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 into 20 we substituted and 2 into 19.05. 3 into 20 is nothing but 60 minus 2 into 19.05 is nothing but 38.10. Okay, 60 minus 38.10 is nothing but 21 only, na? Okay, 21.90. Mode is equal to 21.90. Okay, this is the process of finding mode for the discrete data. నార్మల్ మనకు హైయెస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలానో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము, అలాగే మనకు ఒకవేళ 2 వాల్యూస్ కనుక హైయెస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఉంటే మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామన్నమాట. ఓకేనా, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల మనకి ఏంటంటే మీన్ మీడియన్ కూడా డిస్క్రీట్ సిరీస్కి రివిజన్ లాగా అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ ఫర్ కంటిన్యూస్ సిరీస్. ప్రాసెస్ తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ calculation of mode for continuous series. Calculation of mode for continuous series. Okay, now for continuous frequency distribution, in order to calculate mode we have formula like mode is equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. Okay, this is the formula for mode for continuous series. L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2. Okay, here delta 1 is nothing but f0 minus f1. Delta 2 is nothing but f0 minus f2. What is this f0? What is this f1? We will write now. Okay, f0 is nothing but the frequency of the modulus, that is nothing but maximum frequency. Okay, f0 is the maximum frequency value. Okay, next f1 is nothing but preceding frequency to the mode class. This is maximum frequency, we call it as mode class also. Okay, f1 is the preceding frequency to the mode class. Okay, next f2 is nothing but the succeeding frequency to the mode class. Succeeding frequency to the mode class. Next, L is nothing but lower limit. L is the lower limit of the mode class. Lower limit of the mode class. Next, H is nothing but width of the mode class. Class interval width ఉంటుంది కదా అదన్నమాట. Okay, H is the width of the mode class. Okay, for mode we have formula like L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. L is nothing but lower limit of the mode class. Okay, delta 1 is nothing but f0 minus f1, delta 2 is f0 minus f2. f0 is highest frequency, f1 is nothing but preceding value of the highest frequency, and f2 is the succeeding value of the highest frequency, and H is nothing but width of the class interval. Okay, let's do one problem. This is our data. Class interval and frequency 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Okay, now frequencies 6, 8, 17, 21, 15, 11, 12. Now we all know that we have formula mode is equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. This is the formula for mode. Okay, now what we need, delta 1 is nothing but F0 minus F1. Delta 2 is nothing but F0 minus F2. What is this F0? F0 is nothing but highest frequency. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ చూడండి 6, 8, 17, 21, 15, 11, 2. ఇందులో హైయెస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏంటి 21 కదా. సో వీ కాల్ దిస్ యాజ్ మోడ్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, highest frequency is F0 only. So this is our F0. Then F1 is nothing but preceding value of the F0. So this is F1, and F2 is nothing but succeeding value of the F0. This is F2. Okay, we call this one as mode class. Okay, now we know these values. So F0 is 21 minus 17. This one 21 minus 15. Okay, this is 4. 21 minus 15 is nothing but 6. Okay, now L is nothing but lower limit L. This one 6. L is equal to 6. Now H is nothing but between 6 and 2, 6 and 8 difference is 2. Now let's substitute in the formula. Mode is equal to 6 plus delta 1 value 4 by delta 1 plus delta 2, 4 plus 6 into 2. Okay, 6 plus 4 by 10 into 2. Okay, 6 plus 4 to the 8, 8 divided by 10, which is nothing but 6 plus 0.8. Okay, we got mode value as 6.8. Okay, this is the process of finding mode for the